How you doing?
What up, bro?
Doing good. How you doing?
Shit, bro.
Hey, okay, yeah. Okay.
I'm about to build it, man.
You might as well, man. Come roll out there with me, man.
Fuck yeah, bro.
I'll show you a good time, man. I got all the shops, everything. You already know.
Fuck yeah, bro. Yo. Ooh, but this shit shoots flames almost, bro.
Oh, buy a wheel.
Really?
Hell yeah.
How much wheel horsepower are you making right now?
6. Well, 620, but 6 right now. I say 6.
You gonna put that meth injection in?
Not yet, but I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna when I get a chance to go out to my boy's shop, I'm gonna go ahead and go out there. I'm gonna schedule. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get a few of us to go out there together. Got the Evo. I almost had me one of these, bro. A rep. I almost had me a red one. But yeah, man, I almost had me a red one just like this.
I like it a lot. Yeah.
How much power she pushing?
330 to the wheel.
That's good. That's good. That's what's up. That motherfucker pretty. Hell yeah. Type R. That Civic SI Type R. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I still got some of that drink too. Yeah.
Like today, I'm feeling. I fired so fucking bad. And I rolled the window out. Yeah. Yeah, he was so soft and brown.
What's up, Slice?
So how you doing,
Been a
man?
hot minute.
Yes, sir. Hey, you been all right?
I'm alright.
That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, it's my boy Roy. Already. You know. Okay. So it's probably like a 6262 turbo. Probably precision. 6262.
Yeah, basically, I was like, lowest we'll go is 34.
What is it, 2.0?
Yeah.
2.0?
He said it's a B18 bottom end with B16 top.
Okay. Well, 6.2, right? 6.262 turbo?
I have no fucking idea.
Heard.
It says it's making 500.
5?
440.
440? Okay.
Between 4 and 5.
Okay. That's good.
6'2", 6'6".
That's real good. This the hatch. Hold on. This the hatch. Oh yeah, this. Oh nah. But it's the. It's not the hatch, but that's still fast for this car. Real light.
I mean, I can't. No, I just. Oh, no, it's not loud. I just turned it on.
Yeah, I think I know you're talking
I want to hit the two-step. Like, meets in fucking Colorado and shit. People are like doing burnouts and shit. And people are so picky around here.
You know David?
And you got the big intercooler. See that, and that's another thing too. Whenever you see a big intercooler, sometimes I mean it don't necessarily mean you have a big turbo, but if you do have a big turbo, you do need. I say you do need a big intercooler. And
Oh, yeah, there you go.
you got a nice size wastegate too.
I got a V6.
You say your buddy built this?
Do what?
You said one of your buddies built this?
Yeah, my buddy, well, he got it built by my other buddy. That needs like man for all there. It's like a crane. Yeah. I could hard it out for a lot, but I mean, it's just the shell's kind of ratty. So he like left it outside. He hasn't really finished it. Like, it needs corner lights, it needs a meter. It's still fun. It drives good. I had to do like a couple things to it.
So I wouldn't mind doing some wheels like that once I put those deep dish back on. Some tires, I wouldn't mind doing that.
Like old, like 70s, like fucking F100 Ford. They go out there.
Go ahead and find you one.
You can't. You can't.
35 grand start. That's what
Got the. I love them S2000s.
Habló la muchacha.
This is like the first time I've come out early like this, bro. I've never ever been to. I've always been to a meet late. I'm always late, yeah.
That's what happened to me. I was trying to go to the Wednesday one.
Yeah.
Late as fuck.
I'm always late,
Everybody
bro.
was leaving.
I still gotta hit up everybody and see if they coming too since I'm here.
Well, your boy was
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Oh man, he crashed that thing too.
He crashed that thing.
Yeah. It's bad, right?
I mean, I'm not surprised.
Oh, this old boy right here. He said
XS Power D3100 and
she manual, right? Yeah. Hey. That's what I'm talking about. Got somebody in the family holding it down with me. Hey, look, you got somebody in the family holding it down with me.
yo, you got a way I can get that shit off that little dumbass? Because it's so old I can't get it off with anything.
Probably.
Remind me next time and I'll bring some food on. Okay. Well, I already put some on this part. You're not doing the right thing. All right. You bring it.
Damn, that's a nice TC right here. Hey, that's a nice TC right here, bro.
Yeah, I know I had to pull up.
He right there. That thing hard, boy. I almost had me a Subi and an Evo. What, the Subi? The Subi? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I tried doing that here my first week. I've only been really quick within 30 minutes.